Hey there, Bedazzled Beauties. It's Mathias Allen, otherwise known as Mathias4 Makeup on all social media, your pro Hollywood makeup artist in Los Angeles, bringing you another amazing beauty tutorial here on Bedazzled.com.
This video is proudly brought to you by Beaudazzled, the home of dazzling beauty and conscious minds.
So in this month's video tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get out the door in under 10 minutes. I have some really great products that are available here at Beaudazzled.com for you to have in New Zealand and Australia. With just the snap of your fingers, we will ship to you very quickly. And in this video tutorial today, I'm going to share with you some of my favorites for creating a really simple and easy look in under 10 minutes. So here it comes. Alright, so the first thing that I'm doing is hydrating her skin, and I'm using an amazing Ofra moisturizer. There are many to choose from on the Beaudazzled website, so take a look. Next, I'm going to show you the Face Atelier Ultra Foundation. Now this is a silicone-based foundation, so if you're in a rush, there's no need to use a separate primer. The primer is built in. Silicone is a great ingredient. It fills in fine lines and large pores. This foundation also gives a great medium to full coverage. I'm using one of the Cosette foundation brushes to apply it, and then I'm using a dampened beauty sponge to just make it blend into the skin. This is a really beautiful foundation. It's one of my favorites for celebrities and red carpet appearances. Now, if you want additional coverage under the eye, you can use the same foundation. Just use your fingertips and it works as a concealer. Patting it into the under eye area as well as any imperfections on the eyelid works great as an eyeshadow base. This is a really great multi-purpose product and it's absolutely a must-have. Now, to keep your makeup on all day long, I always recommend setting your face with the Face Finish Spray. This will keep your makeup on much longer. Now, I'm using the Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder in 02. This comes in about 5 or 6 shades. 02 is a really good light neutral bone translucent shade, but we also have a translucent shade for even more fair skin tones. I really like this foundation, and applying it with one of our Cosette brushes is the best way to make your skin look flawless and airbrushed. This will also fill in fine lines and large pores, and it just makes your skin stay smooth and soft and silky all day long. Next, I'm going to be showing you the Senna Cream Blush. This is the Cheeky Blush in Nomad. This is a really beautiful terracotta shade. There's a little bit of shimmer. Now what I'm doing is showing you a tip that I like, which is using the dampened beauty sponge, warming up the product on the back of my hand, and then stamping it into the cheek area. These come in many different shades. You can use them in warm tones and cool tones, deep tones if you're a darker skin, and it just looks so beautiful and flawless and natural. Now I'm using the same Cheeky Blush with a Cosette eye brush, and I'm going to apply this on her eyelid. This is a great way to get out the door in less than 10 minutes. I love how this looks on the eye, especially if you have light eyes like my model here. Now make sure you set that with a little bit more of the Evolution powder, because it is a cream to powder formula. It just needs to be set lightly with a light dusting of loose powder. Next, I'm going to curl her lashes. This will make your eyes look bigger. And then I'm going to show you the Girlactic Big Lash Affair Mascara. This is a really beautiful dark pigment. The brush is amazing. It makes your lashes look 10 times thicker. It's very dark. It's a black pigment and it's wonderful. Next, I'm going to move on to the brows. Now, the Senna Brow Fix is one of my favorite products for completing your brow look. Now it's great because you can use it light, medium, or full, depending on how you apply it. This is the light on the left side, and on the right, I'm going to show you how if you just go in with a few more strokes, you can get an even darker brow. So the great thing about this product is that you can control how much pigment you want in your brow. You can also use the tip of the applicator to work almost like a brow pencil and create little fine strokes on the brows, and they will stay on all day without smudging. Now I'm going to use this really beautiful soft Senna lip treatment. It just makes your lips feel plush and hydrated before you apply lipstick. I'm using the Flame cream lipstick from Senna Cosmetics. Now the reason that I'm choosing this color is because when you're getting out the door in less than 10 minutes, we really don't want to focus on too much eye work. I'm really showing you just the basics. So when you're doing the basics on the cheeks and the eyes, you really want your lips to stand out, and I think this shade is beautiful on this kind of skin tone with this eye color. Now, if you have an extra 5 or 10 minutes and you want to add a couple more pieces to your beauty wardrobe, I'm going to show you how to take your look to the next level and really just amp up the glam, but still keep it conservative and really easy to do. Okay, here comes part 2. Senna Cosmetics has created these amazing multi-purpose palettes that you can travel with. This has 2 blushes and 5 eyeshadows. Now I'm using one of the blushes on a Cosette powder blush brush, and I'm applying a little bit more color to her cheeks to really make the apples of her cheeks pop. Then I'm going in with this really pretty soft gold amber color, and I'm putting that right onto the eyelid. Now when you apply eyeshadow on top of any cream shadow pigments like I did previously, you will actually make your eyes stand out and your eyeshadow will last longer during the day. Now this color right here is such a beautiful shade for light eyes and medium skin tones. This is so beautiful, and look how beautifully it coordinates with the lip color. Now you can stop right there if you want, because that is really a beautiful look. But I'm going to go in and show you the Galactic Matte Bronzer in Cabo. Now this is going to be something that you can bronze your skin with. Say you have a foundation that's just a little bit too light for you in the summertime, you can use the Cabo Matte Bronzer to warm up that complexion very, very, very easily. Now one of my pro makeup artist tips is always to remember to tan up or warm up your neck, especially if your foundation is a little bit warmer than your chest. I hope you enjoyed this look today. I think her look is epic and beautiful, sophisticated, but soft at the same time. This is something you can definitely do in under 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I would love for you to subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Also, please do sign up for our VIP email blast so you can get alerted when we have special sales and discounts. I would love for you to follow me and Beaudazzled on all of our social media, so please look down below in the description for links to all of our amazing adventures and behind the scenes blog posts. Thank you so much for shopping here at Beaudazzled and for being a fan of this amazing company. I absolutely love being the Global Brand Communications Director, and I love bringing these tutorials for you every single month here from Hollywood, California. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.
You can find Beaudazzled at www.beaudazzled.com or follow us on Facebook at Beaudazzled Cosmetics. Follow us on Instagram at Beaudazzled Beauty. Follow us on Twitter at Beaudazzled1.